Looking to upgrade your Tesla Model Y's appearance while safeguarding those precious wheels? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the best wheel covers available for your Model Y. Before we get started, don't forget to check the description box below for links to all the products we'll be discussing and additional information. Let's dive in. Number 5. Osakesukar 19-inch wheel cover. These covers are not just any ordinary accessory. They're a statement piece for your ride. Compatible with Model Ys from 2020 to 2024, these covers are the perfect blend of style and functionality. Crafted from high-quality ABS plus PC modified engineering plastic, these covers are built to last. The all-wrapped fitting design ensures complete protection for your wheels, guarding against those pesky curb rashes and road debris. And let's talk about that black and blue color combination. It's sleek, it's modern, it's everything your Tesla deserves. Installation? It's a breeze. No need for professional help or fancy tools. Just snap them on and you're ready to hit the road in style. These covers don't just protect, they transform your Model Y's appearance, giving it that extra edge on the streets. Features that you may be looking for: high-quality ABS plus PC modified engineering plastic, all-wrapped fitting design, stylish black and blue color combination, easy snap-on installation, compatible with Tesla Model Y 2020 to 2024 models. Next up, we have the Nanaholy Model Y wheel cover. And let me tell you, these are not your average wheel covers. Designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y, these 19-inch hubcaps are a perfect fit for 2021 to 2024 models. What sets these apart? It's all in the details. The Nanaholy covers are crafted from high-quality ABS matte material, giving your Tesla a sophisticated, luxurious look. The matte finish isn't just for show. It's durable and resistant to scratches, ensuring your wheels look pristine mile after mile. Installation is a snap, literally. These covers feature a user-friendly snap-on mechanism that makes putting them on a quick and easy process. No tools required, no fuss, just pure style in minutes. But here's the real kicker. These covers offer comprehensive protection. They fully envelop your Model Y's wheels and rims, keeping them safe from curb rash, rim rash, and other road hazards. It's like giving your Tesla a stylish suit of armor. Features that you may be looking for: high-quality ABS matte material for durability, easy snap-on installation mechanism, full wheel and rim coverage, easy tool-free installation process, compatible with Tesla Model Y 2021 to 2024. Moving on to number 3, we have the Tesheer wheel cover, and folks, this one's a showstopper. These 18-inch hubcaps are designed for the Tesla Model 3, but don't let that fool you. They're a perfect match for your Model Y's style. The standout feature? That gorgeous silver turboprop design. It's not just a wheel cover, it's a work of art. The silver finish catches the light beautifully, giving your Tesla a premium, high-end look that's sure to turn heads. But it's not all about looks. These covers are tough. Made from durable materials, they're built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. Rain, shine, or snow, these covers have got you covered. Installation is a breeze thanks to the clever design. They snap on securely, ensuring they stay put even at high speeds. And the best part? They provide excellent protection against curb rash and other wheel damage, potentially saving you hundreds in repair costs. Features that you may be looking for: stunning silver turboprop design, durable construction for long-lasting use, easy snap-on installation, excellent protection against wheel damage, compatible with Tesla Model 3 2017 to 2023. Coming in at number 2, we have the FORAUTOMOD 19-inch wheel covers. And let me tell you, these are a game changer. Designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y from 2021 to 2024, these covers are the perfect blend of style and functionality. The first thing you'll notice is the striking matte black finish. It's not just black, it's a deep, rich black that gives your Model Y an aggressive, sporty look. But what really sets these apart is the asymmetrical design. It's unique, it's eye-catching, and it's sure to make your Tesla stand out from the crowd. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, these covers are built to last. They're not just for show. They offer serious protection against curb rash, stone chips, and other road hazards. It's like giving your wheels a stylish suit of armor. Installation? It's a breeze. These covers feature a user-friendly snap-on design that makes putting them on quick and easy. No special tools required, just align, snap, and you're ready to roll. Features that you may be looking for: striking matte black finish for a sporty look, unique asymmetrical design for added style, high-quality ABS material for durability, easy snap-on installation, compatible with Tesla Model Y 2021 to 2024. Number 1. SIGLIN wheel covers for Tesla Model Y. These 19-inch beauties are the ultimate accessory for your Model Y, designed specifically for 2021 to 2024 models. What makes these the cream of the crop? First off, the matte black ABS material is not just stylish, it's tough. These covers can take a beating and still look fantastic. The full coverage design ensures that every inch of your wheel and rim is protected, guarding against curb rash, stone chips, and other road hazards. But here's where it gets really exciting. The installation process is a breeze. These covers feature a clever snap-on design that makes putting them on quick and easy. No tools, no fuss, just pure style in minutes. The SIGLIN covers don't just protect, they transform your Model Y's appearance. The sleek, modern design complements Tesla's aesthetic perfectly, giving your car that extra edge on the streets. It's like giving your Model Y a style upgrade and a protective shield all in one. Features that you may be looking for: premium matte black ABS material, full coverage design, easy snap-on installation process. Sleek, modern design complements Tesla's aesthetic, specifically designed for Tesla Model Y. And there you have it. These top 5 wheel covers will take your Tesla Model Y from great to extraordinary. Which one caught your eye? Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details. Until next time, keep rolling in style.